Ka tanat pulit jong ka jala Meghalaya ka bala penbana thama persya ya udrok kalaya tricitom ban pensyai shikipajba hakaleng ki benta jong ka sor berkapsar banyak kun persya barha ka juga por ka tanat pulit kala penlong ka jingkhanra ka bajur banyak kia mekisnar ka yidrok. Director General of Police ka jala Dr. LR Bishnoi haka jialang bat kilat patai kubor kabalalong haka sngi thoding ulai thu dang hiki arsngi tanghapo East Khasi Hills katanat pulit kali ukurup adu saus pa gram udrok heroin arteli ki motorbike kawai ka kali bat kapisa kabakot san point san lak tingka haba ajing kenya ka jingyo ukurup drok jongki pulit haki sau banai kata nadu ujeleu hadu unailur arajar arpuar. Katanat pulit kala yuk kurup lai penyenripu ar kilo udrok heroin sawajar sanspa kilo kenja shispa san program opium shispa san bilor kadawa jarho bat kadwe hajar kandai spa ar sela kidawai kuli amphetamines ka dora ka yeu khai be anyi kini jingdi ibasniu kala kuat shadu khatpra penlai pholai klur tingka DGP ulai thuru baki pulit kila yuk kurup kawai kasuloi bat katok aneki kuli Shushu ulai thu bakatanat pulit kelalap banaki khat arteli ki distrik jongka jela ka jingkhi drok ka khamkan rai haki prateli ki distrik kata East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, South West Khasi Hills, East Jinte Hills, West Jinte Hills, Ribhoi, West Garo Hills, but South Garo Hills. Ulai thu baki Southli ki distrik ki bumper register case watang kaweru apo ka NDPS Act kilong ka East and West Khasi Hills, ka East Garo Hills, ka North Garo Hills, but ka South West Garo Hills. Haka bedai baka jingyo kurup iki tuk-tuk arsyaka DGP ulai thu bahaki sau benai bala lejno kata nadu ujeleu hadu unailur ki pulit kelayo kurup shispa asapui tili ki tuk-tuk badio kiam henrepui ngut kisnar nungtu badon keti berregister hadu kanai putili ki kes persya yaki.
Throughout the length and breadth of Meghalaya, we are concentrating on our strategy, simultaneously creating awareness against drug abuse in the urban as well as rural areas. And also, we have strengthened our enforcement drive against the drug traffickers. So during last 2 days in the East Khasi Hill districts, we have recovered nearly 400 grams of heroins and 2 motorbikes and 1 vehicles and cash nearly 5.5 lakhs during last 2 days. But I wish to share some figure with you for last 4 months, June, July, August and September till today. During last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered 3 kg 62 gram heroin, 4,500 kg ganja, 150 gram opium, 145 bottles of cough syrup, 11,902 tablets of methamphetamine, and the total cost in the illegal market of these drugs is 18 crore 33 lakh. So you can say that during last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered drug worth value 18.33 crore rupees. So this is a huge recovery, and for this credit should go to all the district police and the anti-narcotic task force as well as special branch for timely collection and dissemination of intelligence. Along with the drugs, during last 4 months, we have recovered 31 vehicles, mostly these 31 vehicles also include a 4 number of trucks. We have also recovered 90 number of mobile phones, and most of these were smart or Android phones. We have also recovered 1 arm and few rounds of ammunition and data. Our cash recovery total from the drug traffickers as on today till today for last 4 months stands 24.22 lakh. 24 lakh 22,311 rupees to be exact. We have recovered these drugs and registered 48 number of cases during last 4 months, and we have arrested 134 accused during last 4 months. Out of these 134, 125 are male and 9 are female. Out of these 134 accused, 123 accused belongs to Meghalaya state and 11 accused belongs to outside Meghalaya, mainly Assam, Manipur and Arunachal. This indicates that the drug traffickers are working as interstate gang. Out of these 134, the total accused, 5 number of accused are those who are repeated offenders. They have been committing crimes repeatedly, so booking them under PIT NDPS Act is under process. We have noted that out of 12 districts of Meghalaya, most of the drug trafficking is taking place in the 8th district, that is the East Khasi Hill district, West Khasi Hill district, South-West Khasi Hill district, East Jaintia Hill and West Jaintia Hill districts, Ribhoi, and then West Garo Hill district and South Garo Hill districts. Out of 48 cases, 50% cases are registered in the East Khasi Hill districts. The next highest registration is in the West Garo Hill district, that is a Tura, and the third is the East Jaintia Hill district, that is a Claria, and next is the Ribhoi districts and the West Jaintia Hill districts. So this kind of analysis help us to concentrate as far as the crackdown against drug traffickers is concerned in these 8 districts. The 4 districts which have not registered a single case in under NDPS or the drug trafficking case are East-West Khasi Hill districts, that is the Mairan, East Garo Hill district, that is William Nagar, North Garo Hill district, that is Resulianpada, and South-West Garo Hill districts, that is Ampati. So there are total 76 police stations in Meghalaya. Out of that, 18 police stations have shown registration of NDPS Act cases. So we will concentrate on these 18 thanas comparatively more than other thana, so that to break the supply chain of the drug trafficking.